How things is going over there? I hope that everything is working.
No, everything is not okay, baby.
How come everything is not working good? I tell you, say me, they eat money, now they chop money. Anything where money there, me are they. So tell me, what is happening to you?
You know something? It's not about money.
It's
Today
about
I'm
what?
not feeling well.
You are not feeling well.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside now. Because you are not feeling well inside.
No, I need fresh air.
Oh, fresh air.
Yeah.
Oliver. Ola yana magozo na nkrebu. Ya left the 30 for corner. What did the cousin? And Baba. I got the cat for corner. What did the cousin? And see, you know, say me, I love you.
You know me too.
Now love, now they come. That this is my friend.
Your friend.
Where he bring you. In himself, you know the better thing where I like. This way I bring you.
Your friend.
Exactly now. Now.
I see.
Because in life, when you do, try to spend money for a woman.
Spend money.
Woman need money.
Every woman is spend money. Why?
No, it's very good.
No,
it's very
not
good to spend money on
it's
woman.
It's not good at all.
Why is not good? Why is not good?
Who told you that?
Are you sure?
I'm telling the truth.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Who's what? Who is who? Oga?
Oga.
So this is how you are. Say it out here. Hey, Oga. Hey, Robert.
See.
Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
Stupid food. Hey, man, who money power?
See, wait.
I mean,
I tell that your this is where you did. You should call me. Where have you been? Since long time not seeing you.
Oga, it's not you that tell your friend that I'm not beautiful. Me, I'm ugly.
Really? That's me.
You said I'm ugly.
Me, which is that's you are not. Where is the reason?
Okay.
Where is the reason? See, man, I tell you, in life, no matter how the situation will be. Wizzy, come see what is happening over here.
What? Okay, so fine.
See,
why
no.
To be answering
I'm calling you. You are not picking my call. Wizzy.
I've been calling you 10 times a day, Oga. Why?
You are calling me 10 times a day.
Hey.
What is happening over here?
What did you say?
Jesus.
Okay, please.
No. Why?
Please, don't talk public. You're brilliant. Don't talk public, please. Go inside.
I'll go inside. It's any pana, me friend and I. What?
See.
And I know her.
Go. And you.
And I didn't
Wizzy.
Did you come?
Wizzy, you are in my house. Keep shouting like.
Okay, please, you are staff.
Shout to them. Okay. Shout to the money to them. I'm coming. I'm free.
I'm just going to buy a boy. Who is going to buy a one?
Now, who me know?
Now, what do you want to wear wine?
Why do I say?
We are Muslim and Frama.
We are definitely. We are definitely.
Now, I said, say, and son of your baby. Maybe 20 cities. You lie bad.
Maybe 20
cities. Just come on and call. Minister business. So no John, my phone is so just come down. What's that? How do I mean? How do you image? So what you are one more. Mom's going to be coming call.
Because they were
What
system.
you
What
was a commercial? Mess baby.
Now it's going to be 2 million. 2 million.
2 million. Which is coming from a town woman 2 million. Mr. Sen and say no matter of them. Yes, yes, Miss Simon, Solemn to take it in on your blood in the room, be a babas.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
How will you?
It's okay. It's okay. I can't.
What hair come and come aside to the other?
Anna, to the Papa.
What your name is?
Sister 14. Sister 40.
Sister 14.
Man, uncle. On 50.
Sister 14.
Hey.
Sister 14.
Mami,
Every any business answer.
Oh, remember what is mine.
Okay, Jean, I don't know what yes. Not from what.
Yeah. So, oh, no.
No.
Yeah, because oh, my meal.
Dabe.
No,
mommy was say.
So that's what we're going to do. About some one is you.
Yes, I have.
Why?
How about you?
Namaka.
I flag any more.
Mathematics. Hey, she's to get you. You know, she can do no show. You guys have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2.6. That's my name, eh?